Hi friends, welcome to Programming Made Easy. This is Santosh Avanamurthy. Today we are going to see the second part of list collection in Python. In case you missed the first part, you can refer to this link and you can watch the video before watching this particular video. So we will see the remaining methods and functions provided by list. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload the videos. So today we will start with the methods related to deleting the items in a particular list. So the remove method removes the specified item. Okay, so don't confuse. Here we are not going to give the index. Instead, you have to give the item that needs to be removed. So what I will do is I'm going to remove the false value from the list. So my list dot remove false. Then print my list. So what should happen here in the list? You will not see false item. Okay. The pop method removes the specified index. Okay. So if you see the difference between the two, in the first method, that is remove, you have to give the item to be removed. In the pop method, you have to give the index that needs to be removed. So let's remove the first index. So my list dot remove, sorry, pop one, then print my list. So here, if you see 10, that is at first index. So as you know, list starts with 0. So at first index, that means 0, 1, that is 10, it is removed from the list. The del keyword also removes the specified index. It can also be used to delete the list completely. Okay, so del performs two operations here. You can remove the item at a particular index, or you can remove the or delete the list completely. So now to do that, if I say delete my list, now if you try to print, we'll see what happens. So it says my list is not defined because we have deleted the list. But in case your requirement is to only clear the items in the list, so in that case what we'll be using is the clear method. So instead of delete, what you can use is mylist dot clear method. So in this case, what will happen? All the items of the list will be removed. Okay, you will have 0 items, right? So this is what it is, right? Okay, we'll move on. Next is how to do the looping of the items in the list. So there are multiple ways in which we can loop through the items in the list. The first method is by using for loop. Okay, so let's see how to do it. It's very simple. For item in my list, print item. This we have seen even in dictionary also, right? So I will comment out this clear part. Because of this clear, we don't have any items. So let me comment this and run again. So now we will see all the items in the list. The other method to loop through the items is by referring to their index number. So we'll see how we can loop through by referring to their index number. So for index in range length of your list variable, print my list of index. Print my list of index. So this is another method of looping through the item. Same results, but these two are different methods. Next, there is a concept called comprehension. Okay. So what it does is it offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Okay. So based on various conditions, you can filter out the list and you can create a new list. The syntax for this is new list is equal to expression for item in iterable if condition equal to true. So what we are going to give is based on certain condition, we will be filtering the items in the list and we will be creating a new list. Okay, so how to do this? I will show you with an example. So I will first create a empty list here, new fruit list. Now new fruit list is equal to x for x in fruit list if a in x. Print new fruit list. So what actually we are doing here is I am creating a new fruit list based on the condition that the fruit item X should have letter A in it. So only those fruits having letter A will be filtered and those items will be appended to new fruit list variable. So let's see the output here. So you can see only banana, apple, watermelon and again banana will be filtered because all these fruits have letter A in them. Now this is called as the expression, okay, and this is called as the condition. Now suppose you want to add all the fruits in capital letters to the new fruit list. We can do like this: new fruit list is equal to x dot upper for x in fruit list if a in x. Okay, so print new fruit list. Now what happens? The fruits will be converted to capital letter and then it's added to the new list. Okay, So I hope it is very clear. So this is very useful when you want to filter the list items based on condition and create a new list. Okay. So next, moving on. So we will see the various sort methods available in the list. Okay. So the first thing is, if you see list, it provides a method called sort, which can be used to sort the list item. Okay. So it's very simple to sort the items. So fruit list dot sort, then print fruit list. So you will see the list fruits sorted in the order. You can see first apple, then banana, then watermelon. Now, if you want to do it in the descending order, then we have to use the keyword called reverse equal to true. Okay, so let's do it quickly. I will just copy paste. So what I will do is reverse equal to true. Now watermelon should come first and apple should be printed last. Okay, so watermelon and then apple. Now if you want to customize the sorting, the default sorting provided by list, it is possible by passing your sorting function name. Okay, for example, what we are going to see is, so we will be sorting a number list based on how close a particular number to the given number. Okay, that is 50. So what we will do now is, so first I will declare one new number list. So my number list equal to, I will give random numbers 60, 75, 10, 22. Then I will write a function first in the top. So define my sort. So this will take a number, return absolute of n minus 50. So this is my function which I will be passing to this particular sorting. So my number list dot sort key equal to my sort. Okay. Now let's see the output. My number list. So if you run it, so you will see the numbers will be arranged in such a way that the one which is close to 50 will come in the first, and one is having more difference will come in the last. Now 60 and 50, the difference is 10, so it has come first. 25, 50, that is 25. Okay, so that is how you can customize the sorting of a list item. Moving on, so to do case insensitive sort, use either str.lower or str.upper as key function. So many times we want to sort the list irrespective of the case sensitiveness. So in that case, we can do it very easily using this str.lower, or you can use str.upper. So what we will do is, we will first declare a new list with different cases. So I will have banana, then I have watermelon, then I have apple, then I have kiwi, then I have orange. Okay, so all are starting with different cases. Some are in small letters, some are in capital letter. Okay, now first we'll print and see how this will be sorted. So fruit list dot sort and print fruit list. So now if you see the way it is sorted is apple has come, then orange, then watermelon, then banana, then kiwi. So clearly it is going by the case. Now if I don't want this to happen, so what I will do is fruit list dot sort key equal to str dot lower. So you can do either lower or you can do upper. Both are valid. So now we will see the output. See now apple, then banana, kiwi, orange, watermelon. This is what we have expected. Moving on. So now we will see how to copy and then how to join the list. So there are different methods available to copy as well as join. We will see all the methods. So first we will see the copy operation. So list provides two options. One is the copy method. Second one is the list method. So we will see both. So first we will see copy. So my fruit list is equal to fruit list dot copy, then print my fruit list. Now remember one thing, similar to what we saw in the dictionary, equal to is a reference assignment. Okay, when you do equal to, then whatever you do in one list, it gets reflected in the another list. But if you want both to be separate, then we have to use either copy or we have to use list. Okay, so now these two are independent. My fruit list and fruit list are independent. Whatever I do to the one list, it will not affect the other list. Next, the other method is, so my fruit list is equal to list of fruit list. Then print my fruit list. So both are same. Okay, it creates a new list. Now coming to join, there are three options available. One by using plus operator, second by using append method, and third by using extend method. So we saw this extend method in the previous video also. So we'll be seeing the same in this video also. So first let's start with plus operator. So now I want to create a new list by joining two other lists. Okay, so I will have a my new list. So I will join the fruit list as well as the number list. Okay, so fruit list plus my number list. Now if you print, it will have both the lists. So first is fruits, then the number. Now let's see the append method. How to append the list. So this is by using a loop. So how we will do is for item in my number list. So I'll be appending the number to the fruit list directly. So fruit list dot append item. At the end, we will print fruit list. Now fruit list will have the numbers appended to it. So the third method is extend method. Okay, so I'm going to just create the fruit list once again. So let me copy this. Now fruit list dot extend my number list. Now if you print fruit list, so the numbers gets appended to the fruit list, right? So this is how we can join two or more lists. So that's all I have today. So with this video, we completed most of the, I say, yeah, so 95% of the various methods and functions provided by list in Python. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, do like it and share with your friends and colleagues and family members. So also comment in the video whether it's good or bad. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. So till the next video, take care. Bye bye.